Hello. Today, we will teach you how to work with Telegram bots on Latenode.com. First, we need to create the bot itself. To do this, go to Telegram, open BotFather, and start a chat. Send the command new bot, choose a bot name and username, and follow the instructions. Now your bot is created. Next, copy the API token that appears and save it. You will need it for the connection. If needed, you can add the bot to a group or chat and make it an administrator so it can receive events. Now let's go inside the bot and start it. After that, we can proceed with setting it up on Latenode. Go to the app search, find Telegram, and add a Telegram trigger. Enter the bot's API token in the authorization field and give it a name. Now, we need to get test data, and there are 3 ways to do this. The first method allows you to instantly test the bot's operation by manually sending a message. To get test data, simply press run once in the scenario. Send a test message to the bot within a minute. You will receive a message with all the details, such as chat ID, text, sender, and more. This method is useful when you need to check what data the bot is transmitting right now. The second method allows you to retrieve the last message received while the bot was inactive. To do this, deploy and activate the scenario so the webhook starts working. Then deactivate the scenario. Send a new message in the chat. Click Run Node once, and you will receive the last saved message. If you activate the scenario again, the webhook will no longer return the last test message, but will wait for new events instead. The third method is restarting with historical data. You can deploy the scenario, receive any message, or select the desired one from history, and use the restart function to retrieve it back into the scenario for further processing. Now that we have test data, and let's create a simple chatbot using ChatGPT. Add an AI node. By the way, our GPT integration works without requiring your own API keys. In the prompt field, insert the variable with the message text and write a request to generate a response. Run the scenario to get a test response from the AI. Next, add a send message node. Authorize, and from the pop-up window, insert the necessary variables, such as the response text and chat ID. Run the scenario and check how the bot replies to messages. As you can see, it successfully sent us a response. Your scenario is ready. Now, to make the bot fully autonomous, press deploy, and it will be ready to receive events at any time. Thank you for your attention. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments.